This is an overview on how to use CheetahIQ for company and contact research. First, what you'll want to do is begin typing in the company name, select it, click search, and then we're going to search across all the different boxes. You have the option to scroll within a box to take a look at the content, or you can expand by clicking the arrows in the top right. Once you do that, you have all the pieces of content and you can click in if you think anything's interesting. If you click in, we'll bring you directly to that piece of content. Down here in the bottom right, you can click back to full view, and that will bring you back to the main screen. Now, if you wanted to deep dive the content, you could do that. You could type in something like sales team, and then we'll search across all the different boxes. If it lights up in green, that means there's been a hit, and it will show you also the number of hits within each box. So here we see there have been 2 in the press releases, and there's 0 in the blog. You can scroll through like we did before within the box, or you can expand by clicking the arrows in the top right. If one of these snippets looks interesting and you'd like to read it more closely, just click on the snippet and we'll bring you directly to that piece of content within the document. To go back to the full view, you can click back to full view here in the bottom right, or if there's something that's in green on the right here that you'd like to take a look at, you can click that as well. So just click the arrows and it will expand, and it's the same thing as before. You can click in if you want to take a look. We'll bring you right to that piece of content, or you can click back to full view and we'll bring you back to the home screen. We also have links in the bottom right to bring you to different pieces of information if you wanted to take a deeper look at them. For contact research, we'll use a different example. So we'll do Chipotle, click search, and you have 2 options to research contacts. You can click on the box and select one of the contacts or begin typing it. That will search the contact one at a time, or you can click our new feature, which is in beta. It's the contacts button here on the top left. Select that, and we're going to search across the different sources. It loads 5 at a time, so if you want to load more, press the load more button at the bottom. To see where the hits are, they're numbered. So we see for Chris, there's 5, 2, 51, 0, 0, 2. This is a good piece of information, so you know where there have been hits and where there aren't hits. So Jonathan's not in anything. If you click on the green button, it's going to bring you directly to that piece of content or information. In this case, it's podcasts. So you can once again click on it, brings you to the podcast, get a little more information. And to go back, you can just click contacts again, and you have all the different pieces of information for each one of the contacts. If you wanted to search Chris Brandt for any reason, one at a time, just click search. It's going to go across the different buckets, and when it lights up in red, there have been hits. That's how you search at the company and contact level in CheetahIQ.